The engineering degree apprenticeship, if you come into year one, is a 3-year programme. We typically deliver it 1 day per week. They're assessed through coursework, assignments, and we try and base those in their place of work. So the organisation can see the benefit of that, and also the apprentice has got the context, has got the understanding of the environment. The engineering degree apprenticeship could be applied or useful for technicians, apprentices who come out of an advanced apprenticeship, also companies who've set up a degree apprenticeship and it's direct access from a sixth form. We also have mature students who've been in the organisation but have demonstrated a willingness and a need to progress, and the degree apprenticeship's ideal for all those scenarios.
Avant's experience working with the university has been very fruitful, so if we have any queries, questions, we can reach out to the course tutors. How the apprenticeship schemes impact the organisation ranges from improvements to product manufacturing, to improvements in processes, and as much as launching new products to market.
Apprenticeships help the roles because it's very well aligned, and I think it just gives them the focus and the kind of balance to mix the kind of on-the-job training with the study. Everyone I've asked so far has applied the knowledge from the course into their day jobs as well.
Apprenticeship programs influence my role. It's helped me in terms of what I currently do, allow me to gain knowledge on different aspects of the industry. Also helps me feed back in terms of our own product for product development and give more insight into what's currently going on in the industry.
The apprenticeship programme has influenced my role at work, specifically integrating a lot of the work we do on KPIs in one of the units. It's been really useful in implementing a computerised maintenance management system at my workplace, which is what my final project's been on actually.
Differences to a traditional degree course are firstly that we're trying to condense the delivery to 1 day a week. And that's important because obviously the employee, the apprentice, has still got to contribute to the organisation. One of the key benefits as an academic is being able to reflect on our knowledge and how it can be translated into industry.
To make sure the teaching is still relevant, we are in contact with the industry experts every year to make sure that the content we deliver is still matching with what it's needed. Plus, we always have to do research as a part of our work as well, so the research we do, it also implemented in our teachings as well.
I'm a lot more confident where I am. I can troubleshoot better, I can solve problems better at work, and overall just be a better technician. I've been put in for a lot of awards for my hard work. I managed to get a full-time technician role at ZF as well.
Using the apprenticeship type scheme allows the apprentices to gain that valuable experience, but it's then also academically to bring them through the system. One of the big things we're seeing across the business is the confidence that it brings out of them, see them grow and develop. It's potentially our future leaders.
The experience with Sunderland University has been good from the start, and all the way through it's been very close communication between Balfour Beatty and everyone who's been on the course has thoroughly enjoyed it.